guys doing? I've been thinking to challenge myself to make a daily vlog, but I don't know because most of my viewers only interested on what's the new regulation, etc. But so I don't know. Am I up to this challenge? Can I make a daily vlog? Well, I'm going to have a breakfast right now with my son, my wife, and we'll see. Am I up to it? Am I up to make a daily vlog? Let's talk about it. So this is how my daily vlog will look like. And then you tell me in the comment section, am I up to make a daily vlog?
I think it's a mix between a muffin and a croissant.
Seems like my wife so hungry this morning. So full now. I have to go to 9/11 Concept Cafe to meet my viewers. So they want to know about YouTube algorithm, etc. So I have to drop off my wife and my son, then off to go to meet this guy. Terima kasih, Pak. He's so full, so tired. My family. Now I'm off to the 9/11 cafe. Okay, let's go. I never met him yet, so I don't know what his look like, but let's see. Hello. There you go. How are you? Come on.
You want to have a tea?
I see. Well, it's not finalized yet. Next time we meet, I asked him to bring a laptop and also GoPro or something, so I can really show him step by step how to edit it, how to put thumbnail, how to put description, etc. Well, it's time to go home now. Let's go. Okay. Ooh, so dark. This is my I don't know, back to my question in the beginning. Am I up to challenge myself, make a daily vlog? So shoot myself every day talking about whatever comes up to my mind. Do you think I'm up to it? Is there anybody who will watch me if I make a video every day? Anyway, if you guys want to know about how to travel to Bali, I'm not gonna say it again here, but I'm gonna show you where to get it. I'm gonna mention down in description how to travel to Bali, my last video. So just click that link if you want to know the regulation, how to travel to Bali, like visa on arrival, online, etc. Okay, but this video is purely about my daily vlog. I'm not gonna talk about travel regulation or what do you think? Should I go challenge myself with the daily vlog? Let's say for 1 week, shooting every day, edit every day, and post it every day. What do you think, guys? Well, the good thing is, if I make a daily vlog, I can answer your question for anything. I can answer your question for anything, even not related to the video. Let's say you wanna ask about visa on arrival, kitas, investor kitas, or whatever you have in mind about Bali, how to travel to Bali, how to stay in Bali. Just comment, and then I'm gonna answer it in the next day video. So hopefully it's more clear. See, that's a good thing about the daily vlog. I can answer you every day. So what do you think? Oh man, can I do it? Daily vlog every day? I heard it's very tiring, but kinda I wanna challenge myself. Maybe it's good for me. It's good my channel or something. Alright guys, I think that's it from now for my first daily vlog. Please help me. I'm gonna do this challenge. I'm gonna make a video every day, post it every day for 1 week straight, okay? But please help me by watching it from the beginning till the end, not skipping it. And also tell me what should I do to make my daily vlog is better every day, because I totally have no idea. Normally my video is only about Bali travel regulation, right? So I need your help for this one. Let's go through this challenge together. Okay, I think that's it from now. My first daily vlog, and I see you tomorrow. My name is Mr. signing off. Stay safe.